Hello, we're going to go through solving with substitution, and this is day 5. So what you're going to be doing has got a little bit more to it than what we've been doing. So first we see two equations, y equals negative x and y equals x minus 2. So we have to decide what are we going to replace with what? Well, we're going to replace this y, with negative x because this first equation says y equals negative x. When we replace this y with negative x, now we have the equation negative x equals x minus 2. And what we need to do then is get all the x's on the same side. You can see the result. Now, how did we get there? Well, we need to get this x, the one that's on the right-hand side, on the same side of the equation as the other x. So we're going to minus x here, because remember, when we look in front of this x, we don't see a minus sign. That makes it a positive x. And if we minus x on this side of the equation, we have to minus x on this side of the equation. Now this is a negative x. So when we subtract x here, we don't get nothing, we get negative 2x. This cancels, and we're left with negative 2. Now we still need to get x 100% all by itself, so what we need to do is divide both sides by negative 2. And it's really important that we remember to write that negative down. So now we know that x is equal to negative 2 divided by negative 2, which is 1. Now remember, we're not done, because what we're after is an answer that has an x and a y in it. So now we go back up to here and figure out what y is. So y is equal to negative x, so negative 1 is what our y equals. So the answer, when we're done, is 1, negative 1. And remember what that means is if we graph both of these equations, this is the spot where they'll cross. Over 1 and down 1 is where these two lines will cross.